Now students, see page number 22. Now I am reading about a closer look the Cholas. Now listen carefully and try to understand this one. From Urayur to Tanjore. Urayur to Tanjore. Now here you can see name of place Urayur, this one Urayur to Tanjore. This one all of you see carefully and try to understand. How did the Cholas rise to power? Cholas. So students, so many dynasties, ruling families emerge, develop after the 7th century. You have understood and learned properly. So one of the Cholas, one of the powerful royal family, ruling family. How did the Cholas came into power? A minor chiefly family known as Mutriyar, underline Mutriyar, held power in the Kaveri Delta. A minor, less, not a, okay, we can say the more powerful family, which was known as Mutriyar family. Now this Mutriyar family held power in the Kaveri Delta, means control the Kaveri region. You can see the Kaveri region, southern side, if you observe map, above map carefully. They were subordinate, Mutriyar, this family. Now they were subordinate to the Pallava kings of the Kanchipuram. Now they were the subordinate, Samant, whose Pallavas kings. Now Vijayalaya, you can see this name here. If you are reading this paragraph, you can understand. Vijayalaya, who belonged to the ancient chiefly family of the Cholas from Urayur. Now Vijayalaya. Now who belonged to the Cholas family, the ancient Cholas family from Urayur. Now Vijayalaya, or we can pronounce Vijayalaya also, captured the delta, now controlled the Kaveri Delta region. After defeating, we can say the from the Mutriyar families who were controlling over the Kaveri Delta. So Vijayalaya, who belonged to the Cholas family from Urayur, now he captured by defeating. To whom? To Mutriyar in the middle of the 9th century. In the middle of the 9th century, now defeated Mutriyar by the Vijayalaya. He built the town of Tanjore, underline Tanjore. Now who built? Vijayalaya. Now he built town Tanjore and a temple also, one of the temple there, Tanjore, for goddesses. Name of the goddesses, underline Nishumbhasiduni, underline Nishumbhasudini, name of the goddesses. Now he built one of the temple as well as the town Tanjore. Who? Vijayalaya. Now ruler, king of Cholas. Now see this paragraph, this one, see carefully. The successors means after the death of the Vijayalayas, who were the new rulers from his families, successors of Vijayalaya, conquered neighboring regions. Now they conquered the neighboring regions, and the kingdom grew in size and power. Now next rulers after the Vijayalaya, now they conquered neighboring regions, neighboring areas, and added, and after that now they grew their kingdoms as well as the power also. The Pandyan, another ruler, king family, and the Pallava, another Pandyan, as well as the Pallavas, their territories, their regions were controlled and we can say the captured by the successors of Vijayalaya. To the south and the north were made a part of this kingdom. Now the Pandyans region as well as the Pallavas region territories, now after winning and controlling, now added where to the Cholas kingdoms. Now these regions were made part of this kingdom. This kingdom is Cholas kingdoms. Now students, see this page, this one. Raja I. Who was he? Considered the most powerful Chola ruler. He was one of the most powerful Chola ruler from Chola's family. Became king in 985. Now he came into power in 985 and expanded control over most of these areas. Now he expanded, he conquered most of the regions and expanded his kingdom also. He also recognized the administration of the empire. Now he developed his administration as well as the system of administration of his empire. Raja's son. Now his son, Raja, this paragraph you see. First, Raja's son, Rajendra first. Underline, Rajendra first and Raja first. Rajendra first continued his policies. Means his father's policy. He continued for expansion. And even raided, attacked the Ganga Valley also. Sri Lanka and countries of Southeast Asia. Now he developed a navy for these expeditions. Expeditions means we can say for the campaign, for this purpose, for conquering. Now Rajendra first, he developed navy. Now students, now this paragraph, next paragraph we will see in next clip.